Hey there, awesome viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How do you send money to us in 2025? Whether you're supporting our latest project, donating to a cause, or just sending a tip, we've got you covered with the easiest and most secure methods. Let's dive right in. First off, things have evolved a lot by 2025, with new tech making payments faster and safer. The primary way to send money is through our updated website. Head over to yourwebsite.com/send and you'll see a sleek interface designed for quick transactions. Start by clicking on the Donate or Send Money button. It's right at the top. Next, choose your preferred method. We support a bunch of options now, like bank transfers, which are straightforward and often fee-free. Just link your bank account securely via our encrypted portal. If you're into digital wallets, PayPal or Venmo works great. Just log in and select the amount. Oh, and for the tech-savvy folks, we've integrated cryptocurrency options like Bitcoin or Ethereum, which are super popular in 2025 for their speed and low costs. Don't forget about credit or debit cards. Enter your details, and you'll get an instant confirmation. We've added extra security features this year, like two-factor authentication and biometric verification, to keep everything protected. Pro tip: always use a secure network when making payments to avoid any hiccups. Once you've sent the money, we'll send you a confirmation email within minutes, and your contribution will be put to good use right away. If you run into any issues, our 24/7 support chat is there to help. Thanks for watching and for considering supporting us. Your generosity means the world. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.